Hey, hello everyone. My name is Owen. Welcome, guys. Welcome to my channel. All right, friends, picture this 2030. You're sitting by the beach, sipping on your favorite drink, and your phone starts to ping with a notification. Your Bitcoin just hit a new all time high. You glance over at your portfolio. There it is, a digital fortune. Now, wouldn't that be something? Guys, the world is shifting towards digital everything, and money is no exception. Bitcoin fixed its supply, makes it the rarest forms of wealth, more limited than gold, and infinitely easier to access. In the world of infinite money printing, scarcity wins. And you're either in now or watching from the sidelines later, wishing you could take in the leap. Remembers when $50 filled up your tank and left you with change for a burger? Now you'll be lucky if it gets you even halfway. Traditional money, it's losing value every single day. But Bitcoins, it's immune to games governments playing with printing money. Every dollars you save is losing value due to the inflation. But Bitcoin designs to resist that. It's a digital store of value. And even if you don't care about, Lambos and moonshots, wouldn't be nice to preserve what you work hard for? Let's be real. Now, most investors are looking for that golden opportunity, the ones where you can invest a little and watch it grow into something life changing. That's Bitcoin for you. The potential upside, astronomical. And the best part, the smart money is already starting to pile in. Now, Bitcoin is the best performing assets of the last decade. No other investment have given this kind of return. Now, the big players, like the hedge funds, billionaires, and even the governments are starting to adopt Bitcoin. Why? Because they see what's coming. Wouldn't you rather join them now and benefit from the coming surge? Or you want to wait until it's too expensive to buy a meaningful amount? Look, I know what you're thinking, but Bitcoin is volatile. Yeah, it can be a roller coaster ride, but here's the thing. In every financial revolution, volatility is the price of opportunity. And historically, Bitcoin has always come back stronger. Bitcoin has dipped it, but it has always bounded to a new high. It's about the long game. Risk, guys, risk is everywhere. But imagine betting small and watching it turn into a game-changing move. You don't have to go all in. Dollar cost averaging, meaning buy in a little at a time, make the ride, smoother and minimize risk. Look, in 10 years, the financial world, as we know, it will look completely different. Crypto not just a fad, it's the future of money. And if the future is uncertain, wouldn't you want to have your hands on something that could perhaps reshape the entire financial system? This is bigger than just making a quick buck. This is securing a piece of the future. The future is digital, my friend. Bitcoins isn't just another investment, it is a long term hedge against the unpredictable. When the world catches on to Bitcoin, you already be ahead, sitting pretty while others rush in too late. So here's the deal, guys. You don't have to dive in headfirst, but take a little leap. Bitcoin is like planting a seed today that could grow into a massive tree tomorrow. The only regret you'll have is looking back and thinking, man, I should done it sooner. Guys, let's ride this wave together. Alright, I think this is it for this video. Thank you for watching, and consider subscribe to my channel and kindly give this video a like. Alright, I will see you in the next video soon. Take care.